What's up, guys, and welcome back to Cynics TV. Yeah, right, Cynics TV. We haven't uploaded in a while, guys, and there's reasons behind that. We'll eventually talk about those later. I hope you guys are glad that we're back. For this video, we're gonna be focusing on all these chips that you guys see in front of me and the easiest ways to sneak them into your classroom. Now, if this video does very well, guys, and gets 10,000 likes, one of you lucky viewers, if you leave a comment down low, will win a Nintendo Switch. Yeah, you heard right, a Nintendo Switch. One lucky winner will get chosen by either Nex or me and will win a Nintendo Switch. So everybody definitely leave a like on this video and a comment down low for your chance to win. Now, without further delay, guys, let's get this video going. For this, what I have right here are some Pringles like you get at Walmart or at the dollar store where I got these. They're $1, so it's really cheap. And right here, I have a rolled up poster board, and what I have that holds it is a rubber band, as you guys can see right here. Now it's rolled up, guys, to the exact size of my can, which is gonna come in handy. And this is one of the simplest ways to sneak these bad boys in your class. You just roll it up, like I said, guys, to the size of the can. And then before you guys get into your classroom, you wanna put the can in the hole just like this, nice and snug. And now it's set, guys. Your teacher will never know. Look at that. So if she wonders, hey, what's that poster board for? Well, you can just say, hey, this is for another class, and I'm just carrying it for now, but I gotta turn it into my next class. It's my poster board. So you could just lay it flat on your desk, just like that. But I'll lay it towards you guys so you guys can see what's happening over here. And when you get hungry in class, guys, and the teacher's not looking, very simply just pop the top, just like this. You wanna open this up. And look at that. There's all your chips right there. Now you can get rid of this because you won't need this. But look at that, guys. All your chips are right there at your disposal. Now, if you feel like you want to share some, you can definitely share some with your with your classmate that's sitting right next to you. And this is an extension, so it makes it very easy to hand some to your classmate, right, guys? Like I'm handing some to Nex right now. Look at that. Makes it very easy for your classmate to reach over and grab some. Look at that. That's if you guys want to share. But if you're not in the sharing kind of mode, then you don't have to do that, guys. You can simply just grab some for you and just enjoy. Very simple to do, right, guys? Then when you're done, just put your top back on there. You just leave it like that, guys, and your teacher will never know. For this one, we still stay with the Pringles, guys, but also we need some tape, just like this one. Now, you don't necessarily need this exact tape. Any tape will do. This one is very good. It's a Scotch tape, and it's a very strong one. Now, everybody in class has a desk, right? Well, under the desk, it's also flat. If we put a piece of tape on our Pringles can, then we can do a lot. And I'm gonna show you the magic of tape. Now, you wanna focus on the can, make sure it's long enough to cover the whole can and the bottom of your desk. Just like that, guys. This should do. We'll stick the Pringles can about right in the middle of the tape, just like that, and just let it dangle, guys, for now. Now, the rest is under the desk. Now, I'm doing this slow motion, guys, but in your classroom, you guys could do this really fast because you don't want to get caught by the teacher, right? So focus on the bottom of the desk, just like this, and there goes one tape, and there goes the other side of the tape. Easy, very easy, guys. And very hidden too. If you guys see that, ain't nobody can notice this unless you actually duck down and see. But if you guys come around on this side, you'll see that the opening's right here. All I gotta do, just pop that top. And look at this, guys. There's the opening to the Pringles right under my desk where I'm writing, where nobody can see. And if I get hungry at any moment, the tape is holding the can, so I don't even have to worry about that. I just reach in, grab a Pringle, and eat it. All right, for this, I'm using some Doritos Flaming Hot. Now, if you guys haven't tried these little bags, they are so hot. I think even hotter than Hot Cheetos Extra. I don't know, what do you think, Nex?
They're just as good, in my opinion.
Yeah, they're very tasty, guys. I do recommend these. Also, I have this file folder that has all these little slots, as you guys can see right here. Now, these are very cheap. They're like $1 at the dollar store and convenient for a whole bunch of things. So I'm gonna use this for the Doritos Flaming Hot. Now, very simple, guys. Remember, the whole point of this is that make it very simple to do. So we just wanna open this bag just like this. And look at that, guys. Look at all those nice Doritos in there. All flavorful and tasty too. And what we want to do is just open this up like this, and we want to dump them inside. Now, it doesn't matter what slot you put them in, as long as they're in there. So we just dump them in there just like that, guys. Look at that. Boom, that's done. Once we're done with that, you probably want to just wiggle it around, make sure that they're snug in there. And then that's it, guys. Close this up just like that. And look at that, guys. Beautiful, isn't it? Even if you turn it sideways, guys, you can't even tell what's in there because all these little slots make it hard to tell what's in there. And then sit that on your desk while you're writing. The teacher will never know what's in front of her. So if she looks right there, she's gonna be like, he might have some crayons in there, or he might even have some flashcards in there, but she'll never guess that you have some flaming hot Doritos. So again, guys, the next time you're in there and you're bored or you're hungry, open the little folder up and look at that. Your Doritos will be waiting for you, anxious for you to eat them all. And if your friends want some, definitely share, guys. I mean, sharing is caring, right? For this, we have an empty Crayola crayon box that contains 64 crayons, but there's none in there. Now we have nothing but space. And over here, if you guys haven't noticed, because it blends in with the yellow in the background, is some Funyuns. Now these happen to be one of my favorite, maybe top 5 snacks to eat. They're very delicious, guys. Now to sneak these into your class, simply put them in this Crayola box. But here's an issue, guys. If we were to put it in like this, look at that. It's just too tall, right? But what if we tilt it sideways and put it on its side like this? Yeah, I think would be a perfect fit. But also, what if we cut a whole line down the side of its body, just like this? Now look at that. It's cut on its side, and all these yummy Funyuns are right there ready for eating. Now, if we take them and we put them in now, I think now it should fit. Look at that, guys. Perfect, right? Now, if we just close this like this, look at that. So there is absolutely nothing to see here. Just a Crayola crayons box on your desk. Nothing suspicious about that, right, guys? No. Unless you open it and look at that. You have some Funyuns already cut on the side of the bag, ready for you to eat. I like the shape of these. They're always either broken halfway, or sometimes you'll get them when they're full circles. But look at that. Awesome. And when you're done with it, just close it back up again. Or if the teachers come and close it, put it on your desk, and then eat your Funyun. Delicious, guys, and very easy to do. All right, look what I have here. Some hot Cheetos extra and this empty pencil box, or is it? We have some crayons in there, guys. Now, you guys can already imagine what we're gonna do with this, right? We're gonna sneak these hot Cheetos extra somehow in one of these objects you see in front of you. Now, again, guys, we're gonna focus on simple ways to sneak them in your classroom. So with that in mind, take these crayons and we're gonna empty them out. That leaves us with a nice big box. These crayons are also non-toxic, guys, in case you were wondering, hey, you're putting hot Cheetos or you're putting food items into a box that has toxic items. No, these are all non-toxic, so no harm will come to you if you use this box. With that being said, just take your crayons out of this big box and just empty them out in another box for now, just as I'm doing so here. All right, so that's done. Now we just have this empty crayons box. Now there's a lot of space in there, guys. If you see the box, look at my hand. It's a pretty big box, so it could fit a lot of stuff in there. It's also school related, so you won't be questioned about this. So we take our hot Cheetos because that's our next step, and we just want to open them up. And I'll give you guys a quick whiff to let you guys know what it smells like in there. It smells like heaven. Look at that, guys. All those nice hot Cheetos extra. Now we want to fill up this crayons box. So if you want to squeeze it to open it wider, that always helps. Then just empty them all in there, or at least as much as it can hold. So I think we're tapped out in there. And guys, to be honest, the bag was about right here. Now the bag is about right here. It did fit a good amount of hot Cheetos in there. We might have to pull a couple off the top just to make sure it closes, but that doesn't matter, guys. There's still plenty of them in there. Maybe wiggle them a little bit just to make sure they're snug in there, and then just close it. And look at that, guys. Once it's closed, you have your crayon box, and there's nothing, absolutely nothing weird about this. It just looks like a regular crayons box. So just sit it on your desk just like that, and when your teacher's doing her presentation or teaching you something, you get hungry, you know you have some hot Cheetos extra in there, but your classmates and your teacher does not. Easily pull this tab up like this, And look at that. If you're hungry, why not grab a hot Cheeto Extra and eat it? This happens to be one of Nex's favorite snacks and one of mine too. I think this is my top 2 favorite chips. So I'm gonna taste it for you guys and let you know what it tastes like. It tastes like heaven, guys. It tastes really good. I'm gonna also pour all these hot Cheetos Extra that I have in this box just so you guys can see how much this little box can actually fit. So you guys can get a visual. All right, so here goes, guys. Look at that. Now that's definitely more than a small little snack size bag. That's like a medium size bag at the very least. So there you guys go. Very easy to do. All you need is one of these crayons boxes, and these are very cheap, guys. If you don't already have one, you can go to the dollar store and purchase these. They're the knockoff brands, but they do get the job done as well. The only difference is the name, guys. Definitely try this one out if you haven't already. Yeah, so there you guys go. All right, what you see right here is an envelope and also some hot Cheetos Extra. To sneak these hot Cheetos Extra into class, we're gonna use this envelope. Now, if you guys look in here, we have some bubble wrap. The hot Cheetos Extra go in there and they're gonna be safe, guys. There's no worries as to where the hot Cheetos Extra are gonna go in there if there's anything yucky in there. No, everything's clean and there's bubble wrap. This is brand new. Now, it also could be a report card, not just a plain envelope that you can hide these in. Very simple to do. You just take your hot Cheetos Extra, open the bag up, and you want to pour some in there. I don't know how many of you guys can actually fit in there, but we're gonna try to fit as many as we possibly can. That looks like a good amount right there. And voila, guys. Just wiggle the envelope around a little bit and easy. Maybe fold that tab over just like that and lay it on your desk. Just like that. Now, it just looks like an envelope, right, guys? But we know what's in there now. But if your teacher happens to come by and says, hey, oh, okay, yeah, that doesn't look strange to me, I'll just keep walking. Exactly, right, guys? You'll get away with this. There's no questioning this. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just an envelope that you can have multiple uses for. But we used it for hot Cheetos Extra. If we're sitting in class and we get hungry again, look at that. You just pull the tab over like that, and there's all your hot Cheetos Extra waiting for you to devour them. Now, this will be sitting towards you like that. So at any given time, you want to grab one or share with your classmates, you just tilt it like that and let them reach over and grab one. You'll be good. Like I'm offering Next some right now. Hey Next, you can have a hot Cheeto Extra. Enjoy. Delicious, guys. Very simple to do, guys. Remember, all the things that we're using are very cheap and you can most likely find them at the dollar store. Or even if you have to go to Walmart or Target or any other place, just remember that all these things are really cheap, that you can most likely afford them. All right, guys, so there you have it. I'm holding one of my favorite snacks, hot Cheetos Extra. That was the video, guys. Again, very simple to do. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and are definitely glad to see us back, because we are back and we'll upload more frequently to this channel. If you definitely loved this video, leave a like and also leave a comment for your chance to win that Nintendo Switch if this video hits 10,000 likes. So keep that in mind, guys, and make your comments special. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and as always, your friend, Sin Fatal, and I'll see you later!